What's up guys, Thomas here, TV Parts Rc-Xtreme down at the G-Pit. This amazing Sunday morning. It's like 9:30 a.m. Sunny, not a cloud in sight. Yep, you're seeing right. The Traxxas XMAXX of mine. It's rebuilded. It wasn't broke, but really worn. So after sitting for almost 2 years, this will be a new maiden. And as you can see, I'm not running the regular wide kit. This is the WFO RC's aluminum 775 T6 wide kit, which are wider than the stock one. What a bus. Swallows everything. I'm not gonna go too wild. That's what she said. It would be cool if we could do some jumping here today. Oh. So freaking awesome car. Yes, really wet here. But you know, jump or two in this cold. Like I said, I haven't been running this car for a long time. Of course in the canyon. That was a nasty hit. Yep. We definitely broke it. Or maybe we didn't. I need to go check that out. Yeah, we did break it. That was a nasty hit. Let's see what we can do. That was really unfortunate that I landed. I had that in my mind. This happened to me so many times. Yeah, it's cracked, but it's not done. We got a small crack here. No, it's a giant, it's a big crack. Well, that's it guys. Thanks for watching.